Attention Walmart shoppers, we have a great deal on Polaris razors today. Which one would you like? Pick one, put it in the cart, and let's get up to the register and cash this thing out, you heard? You guys, real quick before we get started today, I just wanted to tell you that I've been super blessed and appreciative for everything that's been going on lately. Been in such a good place getting back into the spiritual world, getting back into church, and just really diving into what God has in store for all of us. I'm not here to push religion on anybody, but now that I'm back in it and just feeling so grateful, you guys have been incredible this week. We've had a lot of fun. The truck's been out a bunch. I've had guys filming the truck, leaving family dinner, taking Snapchats. I've had people taking Snapchats of it at the gas station. I've gotten some really powerful messages on the gram, gotten some awesome comments on YouTube, and even here, I'll show you guys here, the rapper Ty Brazil that I did the video, the channel trailer video, he actually replied to me on the gram, and thanks for your support, much love, because he saw the video, which is just crazy. Like, man, dude, how crazy. This is what the channel's supposed to be. It's supposed to be about everybody but me, just interacting with you guys, showing off the trucks, having fun with friends, and just bringing everybody together in this community. And guys, the blessings are just beginning, and I can't thank you enough. I'm in such a geeked out place, just loving it, high on life. So here we go, guys. Let's get back into today's video, but thanks again. Are back again. Welcome back to the channel. I just got over to Ovi's shop this morning. I was gonna bring the race truck over, but the license plate light was out and I did not want to get pulled over at 4 o'clock in the morning in that bad boy, so I did end up fixing the steering wheel, straightened it back out in my garage. So let's check that out real quick. There's that, guys. My eyes are probably terrible right now. I'm just waking up. Haven't slept all week. Finally got some good sleep last night. Probably could have slept a couple extra hours, but that's okay. So bear with me. No, I'm not on something. I'm just tired. But anyways, guys, be nice to see how the truck drives now. Maybe later today I'll check that out, but for now we're over at the shop gonna check things out. And this thing is surprisingly still clean in here. So Ovi, I'm proud of you, buddy, for keeping this sucker clean. It's been a couple weeks since I have been over here, so Ovi's been working nonstop outside. Obviously, we're heading into fall next, so Ovi does want to make sure to try to get the outside of the shop set up, out there chilling. He's made a lot of progress. Had some friends helping him. He's paying his buddies. He just takes care of people. So you guys, I know I preach overtime diesel all the time, but get down there for all your diesel truck needs and be treated like family. So guys, anyways, let me flip the camera around here and see. Voila. I know you guys were probably seeing that anyway, but it's so nice having that truck out of the way, the long bed old truck. Having that frame out of there, so now he can fit the gooseneck in here to try to get that thing. He actually tried to sell that to me, and yes, it's tempting. I would like to have that booger, but new truck first. Anyways, you see the skid loader. He is gonna get back on getting that one fixed and sold, and then the new razor, got a bunch of parts ordered for that as well. So that's super exciting. It's just fun being in the shop that's clean right now. Just trying to give it a couple minutes so the sun can come up so we can actually see what's going on out there. Like I said, my original plan was to bring the race truck in and fix the steering wheel in here with you guys, but that didn't happen. Things don't always go as planned here on the channel, as you know, but that's no excuse. Just having fun as always and being with you guys. You guys are so awesome, and this is what the channel's all about, getting interactive and just living the life. So anyways, we'll get out there in just a second, guys. All right, can you guys see me? We got the light put on the camera. I'm gonna go out there and try to check this place out in the dark a little bit. The sun is coming up, but I am running out of patience here and ready to get back. But anyways, so let's go outside here and just take a look. Oh, I know, we'll see how good this light does, but got some temporary lighting out here, which is nice. Good little patio seating coming in out here. Super, super epic. And a new TV, how about that? Actually, the first thing Ovi watched on here was the channel, so that was super dope. You can see the sun starting to come out here. I'll kind of let the light take over, guys, but out here, looks like the hot tub's still going. What's going on, boy? All right, luckily Ovi's not passed out in there, but good progress out here still. Super nice having the AstroTurf out here with the pavers. If you guys haven't seen some of the previous videos, we'll walk through. This patio's new. Got the fire pit done. Ovi custom made this himself. Got the rocks in there. Super, super crazy. Nice bench seating around the side. Built that. Let's see. Yeah, you can see this is all made out of metal here and painted, and then got the hanging swivel chairs. Super, super epic with the furry wall. And then the shipping container is really taking shape as well. He's been cutting a lot of it out with a big saw. Cut that all himself and hop up here on the new deck. This is something him and his buddy put together with the actual plastic, what do you call that stuff? That weather treated wood that you don't have to stain every year like I do. Super crazy. Got a step down onto the patio there so it'll match up, marry up right to the concrete here, so you can just walk out here and onto the new deck. And look, did you guys ever think it was gonna look this cool? I know I sure did. I had faith in him, but dang, this is even hotter in person. And it's crazy. Here's gonna be the wall for the bar, I believe, but look at that, super sturdy. It looks like you could just knock it over, but you can't. And then the outdoor kitchen going in, slowly but surely getting equipment out here. God, this place is looking super, super cool. You can see from the back here, just crazy updates. What's he got? Ovi's sleeping in there. That's why I'm trying to be quiet, boy. Got this old skid loader out there. Got the pool dug out. Probably doing that next year sometime, running out of time. Did get this patio furniture this week. He sent me a snap saying, I just bought the dude's whole backyard setup. Got that. Got that. Got everything out here. So it's just coming along good. You can see what's left of the shipping container here. And if you guys want a burger or something, there's the Blackstone. Super epic. Look at how cool this looks, guys. Just coming along at warp speed now. Non-stop action back here. I wish I had some of it while he's working. I try to remind him, but the little time he's got, he's trying to just focus on working and not messing with the camera. Him and Brady are always like, man, I wish Joe was out here. But I get out here when I can, guys. Come on now. You guys are doing an epic job. Who wants to come hang out here? I know I sure do. This thing is so, so awesome. And just coming out of the shop now to head back home, and look at the clouds moving. Just so peaceful out here watching the sunrise come up in the clouds. And we got the daily driver out here. So excited to get this thing fixed and ready for sale next. If you guys are interested at all in a nice LML Duramax, let me know. Or if you got a 2020 L5P that you want to trade up for, I could sell you this with some cash or something. I don't know. I just really want something new. But for now, guys, we're just going to leave you out here. Look at lightning chilling in the background. By the bug, that was so funny when Ovi ripped that burnout and blew the coolant out of it. But yeah, let's go. Now my original plan, I really wanted to feel the turbo eat on the race truck, but we got the daily out today. This thing's kind of a poochie, so we ain't gonna hear no turb, but we can try to give it a little, see if we got anything. No, not really, boy. She's a pooch, but it's still fun. And just kidding, we did get the wheel straightened, and look at that booger. Holy cow, nice and straight. And now we can hear the turb ski. Let's see if we can get one. Should we build some boost? Whee! Yay! It just gets me giddy every time. Love it. Nice straight wheels. Come on, Diesel. Where you at, pup? Out on the old golf course, just kidding, but the dog loves chasing me on this booger. Hello, what's going on over here? Oh boy, Diesel, come on, boo.
Get on the cart, man. Come on, don't be afraid.
So yeah, guys, what do you think of the outside area, and will it be done in time for winter, or is it just like anything where you just keep piecing things away as you go? But tons of great progress and super epic setup as always. You guys know that. So yeah, I'm learning to just take things 1 week at a time here on the channel, and just at peace with not trying to have a crazy video every weekend and stress yourself out and not have any fun in the process. So it's just me grabbing the camera week after week and coming out and seeing what's going on and bringing you guys with. I just want this to feel as personable as it can. So leave some love in the comments if you're enjoying the content, and we will see y'all in the next one. Peace.